Pushpudhuka. My register number is 20HIS 048. Course code HIS 1202FS. Course title Learning English Through History. My topic is National Leader and I have chosen Jawaharlal Nehru. I would like to start by quoting a proverb. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves, said by Pandit Nehru. Some quick facts about Nehru. Born on 14 November 1889, place of birth Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. Father's name Motilal Nehru, mother's name Swarup Rani Nehru, spouse named Kamala Nehru, children named Indira Gandhi. Education done at Harrow School, London, Trinity College, Cambridge, Inns of Court School of Law, London. Occupation barrister, writer, and a politician. Political party Indian National Congress. Political ideology nationalism, socialism, and democracy. Award Bharat Ratna. Publication or works The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History. Nehru's autobiography, Letters from a Father to His Daughter. Died on 27th May 1964. Place of death is New Delhi. Cause of death is heart attack, and memorial is Shantivan, New Delhi. Nehru's early life, family, and education. Nehru was born in a Kashmirian Brahmin family. His father was a renowned lawyer and a leader of the Indian independence movement. He was also one of the prominent associates of Mahatma Gandhi. Nehru was the eldest son of the Motilal Nehru out of four children, and two of whom were girls. He completed his early education until the age of 14 at home under private tutors. At the age of 15, he went to England at Harrow School. After 2 years, he went to Trinity College, Cambridge, and earned an honours degree in natural science. At the Inner Temple, London, he had completed his studies for a barrister. He spent nearly 7 years in England but was very confused and always felt that he is in a half home, neither in England nor in India. And so he has also written, I have become a queer mixture of East and West, out of place everywhere, at home nowhere. He came back to India in around 1912. He had an interest in the struggle of all nations who suffered under foreign domination. In 1916, he married Kamala Kaul and settled in Delhi. In 1917, Indira Gandhi was born to him. Political journey of Nehru: 1912 Bandipur Congress, 1919 Secretary of the Home Rule League, Allahabad, 1916 met Mahatma Gandhi ji, 1920 organized Kisan March in Pratapgarh, district of Uttar Pradesh, 1920 to 22 non-cooperation movement was held and he was imprisoned twice. 1923 September, General Secretary of All Indian Congress Committee. 1926 toured many places, and in 1927 he attended the 10th anniversary celebration of the October Socialist Revolution in Moscow. In 1928, during the Simon Commission, he was charged in Lucknow. He attended the All Party Congress on 29 August 1928. In 1928, he founded the Independence for Indian League and became its central secretary. He was elected the president of the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress in 1929. During 1930 to 35, he was imprisoned several times due to the connection with Salt Satyagraha and other movements launched by the Congress. On 14 February 1935, he completed his autobiography in Almora jail. After release from jail, he went to Switzerland to his ailing wife. Then he was again arrested for offering an individual satyagraha on 31st October 1940 to protest against Indians' forced participation in the war. In December 1941, he was released from the jail. At the All Indian National Congress Committee session in Bombay on 7th August 1942, he moved the Quit India resolution. He was arrested with other leaders on 8th August 1942 and taken to Ahmednagar Fort. This was the longest and his last detention. He was released from the jail in January 1945 and organized a legal defense for officers and men of the INA charged with treason. In July 1946, fourth time he was elected as the president of the Congress and again for 3 more terms from 1951 to 1954. In this way, he became the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was the first Prime Minister to hoist the national flag and make his iconic speech, Tryst with Destiny, from the ramparts of the Lal Killa Red Fort. Major works of Nehru after becoming the PM of India. He imparted modern values and thoughts, insisted on the secular and liberalist approach, focused on unity of India, advocated democratic socialism, and also encouraged India's industrialization by implementing the first 5-year plans in 1951, promoted scientific and technological advancements by establishing higher learning. He also instituted various social reforms like free public education, free meals for Indian children, legal rights for women, including the ability to inherit property, divorce their husbands, law to prohibit discrimination based on caste, etc. Nehru's legacy. He believed in pluralism, socialism, liberalism, and democracy. He supported and generated a way for India's education by envisioning the top tier institution of India, including the Indian Institute of Technology, All India Institute of Medical Science, and India's first space program. In fact, Sham Bengal created a TV series on Bharat Ek Khoj that was based on Nehru's famous book, Discovery of India. In Richard Attenborough biopic, Gandhi and Ketan Mehta Sardar Jawaharlal Nehru was featured as a prominent character. Nehru was famous among children. He always said that it is a duty of every country to provide quality education to their children and ensure that they enjoy good health. Every country must empower their young mind as they are the future generation and the development of the country depend on them. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country. I would conclude by telling that facts are facts and will not disappear on account of your likes. Thank you.
Guys, please do like, share, and also subscribe to my channel.